Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cinematic grid. This powerful compositional tool helps you create visually stunning images. It divides your frame into 9 equal sections, using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. By understanding and applying this grid, you can significantly improve your shot composition, leading to more engaging and professional-looking visuals. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to activate the grid on your camera. Navigate to your camera's display settings or shooting menu. Look for an option labeled Grid Display, Rule of Thirds, or Composition Lines. Once enabled, these lines will appear on your LCD screen or electronic viewfinder. This feature is available on nearly all modern cameras, making it easy to implement this technique immediately. Now, let's apply the Rule of Thirds using your activated grid. Instead of centering your subject, place it along one of the vertical grid lines. For landscapes, align the horizon with either the upper or lower horizontal line, not the middle. Crucially, position important elements at the 4 points where the lines intersect. This simple adjustment creates more dynamic and balanced images. Beyond the basics, consider using leading lines within your scene that guide the viewer's eye towards a grid intersection. You can also balance elements by placing them in opposing grid sections. Experiment with negative space, using the grid to define empty areas effectively. Remember, these are guidelines. Once you've mastered them, feel free to break the rules creatively for unique and impactful shots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.